You gonna show me how it's done? There we go. Look at that. Pierogi master in action. There we go. Good chunk in there. Yum. How many years have you been making pierogi for, Babka?
That many years. that many years.
That many?
You have to close it up properly everywhere.
Yeah.
Not coming because see, I can't put it.
Yeah. I can squish them together if you want. You want me to do that? You can put the meat in and then I'll squish it.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, that's a deal.
Put like that.
Yeah.
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 And then sort of you do it like that.
Oh, you roll the edges in.
I know it's a little bit hard for me.
Yeah.
I can't do it anymore. But
Oh, look at that.
it's all right.
That's an art form right
It's
there.
all right. It's
Hey.
It look bit ugly, but
It's going to taste good. Isn't it?
yeah.
There's my little beautiful one. How's that one turn out, Babka? Is that all right?
Yeah,
That's good? Does that pass the test?
it's all right.
It's all right?
If that's undo,
Are you going to pinch it? That's
if
my one.
that's undo, it's undo. It's all right.
It doesn't matter. How many pierogis did we make, Babka?
How many?
I don't know. I'm asking you. A lot.
A lot. A lot.
Are you going to eat all of those?
You come and have a look.
So you made all of those with my hands, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Golden hands.
They're floating now. Does that mean they're finished?
Huh?
They're floating.
Floating. A whole lot of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Hey,
See?
what do you reckon?
Three beautiful pierogi.
Oh, just the...
Beautiful, look.
You don't want sour cream?
What was that?
All right. What do you reckon?
Beautiful.
Yeah? Pretty good, eh? Yeah. Yep.